check out this other shelf. Let me see if I can fit first before we do the whole trick.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's on. Ooh, come on. Should I cover the red dot maybe?
Yeah, Alicia.
Let me see if this works, okay?
Yeah.
Rawr.
Did you actually, like, put it at the very, very bottom?
Yeah, but it'd be too hard, like, get in and out.
I was literally don't see if she's that, so. Oh.
Don't get out, you're too tall. Alright. Comes in.
It's like, I'm coming in for a glass of tea.
Hi, my name's Tia Selman. I'm gonna get a glass of tea.
He likes to stick your butt
I'm
out.
just kidding. I'm just kidding. The making. The making.
You're scared, man.
All right. See again. All right.
Narrate it.
Okay, I'm getting into the fridge. That's not me. That's the fridge. That's my leg.
Alicia has gas. Okay.
Ah.
Baby's here. Here comes the V of AlyEvVy. Alicia, I'm home. Ow! Can you fit in it?
Yeah, I gotta take this out. I'm not gonna take it out.
Oh my god, he's going to work. Oh, okay.
Huh? Shh, she's home.
Come on, guys.
What the heck? Y'all told her?
No!
Oh!
She found all this
stuff. To my refrigerator. Why are y'all listening how it's came in here?
She phoned Dylan, and so I went and checked, and she thought you walked to the store in the rain.
Oh.
So I was like, oh, she did. Okay, let me get this. I think I can't see it. Everyone get out of the view. Move it, people. Okay. And this is how she should have reacted. Wait, let me. People, get out back where you were. Positions, hurry up. Alvin, stand right here. No, don't stand right there. No, I don't know. Put your face in there or something.
I'll stand over here.
I'm so tired from work. Right! Right, Alvin, that's how she should have acted.
Yes, should have did it. Should have did it like
This
that.
is a bad day. This is a bad day, that's all.
Ew. Ew.
Mom, oh, she's in the bathroom. Dang.
No.
No, she's not.
Oh, no.
No.
We're finding her mother. She disappeared. Mama? She ran away from home.
Look what I've done!